This one go like quick.
I swear.
This one go like quick.
I swear.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, so much fun. Let's go, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Davido, my people. Hey, my people, oh, this one shocked me. I just wake up just now. Now I say make I look Instagram and see the direct RIP Ifeanyi, RIP. I say, which one be RIP? Eh? Now I say make I look and say Davido's son. My people, the only son when he just get. Davido's son say he just die, my people. Hey! How we take me so? They say na Swimmingpoold. He carry and go swim. He say make me want to teach a man to swim. Eh? Wait, oh, I don't understand. Well, I never still know up to now. Say to carry children go Swimmingpoold, especially that Africa so. It no good. It no good, my people. Eh? This one when I just hear just now, I just shock me. Una forget say na there the branch picking for me. Eh? And then with trauma just reconcile whenever just stay so, my people. No, this one is sad news, eh? Very, very bad news. Like, no. Only God know how trauma go dey feel now, God. Only God, and I just know how trauma go dey feel now. Eh? It's not good for people, for mother to lost pikin, eh? Very bad, like seriously. Very, very bad, my people. Like, so painful, like seriously, really. Only God, I just know how trauma go dey feel right now. They carry pikin say you want to teach am how to swim. For that age, it's too small now. Even though boy people they do, must we do am? We will know say Africa, oh, they must carry and join am. Eh? When we know say Africa, oh, they must want put and join am. Eh? We must not do it till people they do now. Eh? This one just so painful, my people. I just see the video just now. I not just know how my body they do me right now. Like, this boy just celebrate his birthday. He just celebrate his birthday not quite long. Like this one just gonna happen so. Davido say me you carry this boy go Swimmingpoold. May you go to Shama to swim. Who say me you carry and go? Who say me you carry and go Swimmingpoold? Eh? Who say me you carry and go Swimmingpoold? That person don't just advise you well. Many children don't go Swimmingpoold. We don't see what it don't happen. Many don't many we will don't see. Not be even a mature woman this Swimmingpoold that they bath. He put up for live video. In this Swimmingpoold, the next way we see, we not hear of her again. You not get up again at all. Now so you just take go. That one not even come out again for his side. Talking of small pikin. Eh? Who say make Davido carry this boy go Swimmingpoold? Eh? When we don't see how many children we don't go Swimmingpoold, they not come back alive. Eh? They not come back. This one pay me, eh? He pay me, he pay me because 12 the year reconcile whenever they so. Hey! Trauma not go forgive his. Davido not go forgive himself. Trauma too not go forgive himself. Wait till carry his son, give him make carry and go to people. Hell! Davido, now over happiness can't do you rich like this. This joy where you will trauma your get of free sense, so they just keep that joy for nobody. My people, this one shockalize me like, more than all the carry children go to Swimmingpoold again. More than all the carry children go to Swimmingpoold again. More than all the carry children go to Swimmingpoold again. More than the carry children go to Swimmingpoold again. Eh? Just see what it just happened now. This boy just lost his life. All the name of you want carry pikin, me you teach him how to swim. Small pikin, even me, we don't grow like this. Fear not you let me the near swimming. talk less of small pikin. You wan carry am go teach am. People this small pikin don't know how many years. 2 years, 3 years. Now you wan go teach her to swim? Eh? Hey, man, wow. This one just no. I see her for our Aproko. I said no, man, run go Instagram. Now I see say all the celebrities RIP. Now they just put for the small pikin. Oh, nah, wow. How Shoma go feel now? 2 of them just said so that they see the joy in her, the happiness. And even next year, Davido say 2 of them will finally do the marriage. My people, this one, this one shock me. Oh, only God know how Choma go dey feel now. Only God. Now he just know how that small girl go just dey feel now. Which kind temptation be this one? Which kind barrier something just be this one? Who want cause this pain for their body so? Who want cause this pain for their body so, God? Person wey do this thing, only God na go judge you. If na person put out for this thing, small pikin just go just like that. But we don't see so many people who don't go Swimmingpoold, they not come back. Now in the video, just carry your own go there. No. Now somebody want kill this dread for our body. This dread way too often I guess so. They want kill the dread for our body. My people. No. So sad. Many children don't go Swimmingpoold, they not come back alive. Now there the branch pikin for that. Davido know. He still carry a pikin go there, make it go swim. Which teach you want to teach your pikin now? That small boy now just go just like that. Just like that. This one they pay for my people. Wanna give them the last respect. God, now only God can know what really happen. Only God. Suppose God will bring her come back again, This small boy will just no. More the Corona children go Swimmingpoold again. More they learn from all those ones. More now the Corona children go Swimmingpoold again. I use God they take beg now. More now they even though they in a house. More now they carry no children they play too much for inside there. It's not good. Now papa he say want to teach him how to swim. He want to teach him how to swim. Now this boy just to go so. Very, very painful. So sad. Like the kind of badness when I not even expect I go just see it today. Now just see so. Only God. Now you know what really happen. May so rest in perfect peace. I pray make your man get another belly. May you come life again. So painful, my people. I put the video make una see. Bye everybody.
Let's go. Let's go. So much fun. Let's go. This will go like quick. I swear. This will go like quick. I swear. Let's go. So much fun. Let's go.